all of my tops, all of my blazers, where all of my dresses are, all of my skirts. These are all of my shoes. Every year during the summer, somehow my closet gets unorganized, and I also bring in so many things. With summer being a little bit more on the vacation mode, I go into shopping mode, and then I go into thrifting and vintage hunting, and as you guys saw in last week's video, all finds. I came home with so many things for my trip in South Carolina, and I have no hangers for any of this stuff. I need to get some things out of my closet so that I can put these things in. Today we are going to do a closet clean out. I also have Maddie here.
Hi.
So Maddie is here with me, and she's going to help me be a little bit better at weeding things out. I'm going to let her have some say on what stays and what goes. I have been in the mindset of happy goggles lately, which means I'm looking for so many colors and prints. So I also feel like during today's video, I'm going to be doing two things. Organizing my closet a little bit differently, where I think I'm going to sort things based off of color and prints. The other thing is, it's going to be a little bit of a closet makeover in the way that I'm going to maybe get rid of some things that I love, but they just kind of don't fit into the happy goggle mindset as much. I think it's time, because I'm getting a little overwhelmed with everything here on my bed. Do you guys get overwhelmed with all the things you have in your closet? I do. I think it's time to get some organizing done. Let's do it.
I feel like that's a good classic for fall.
Just a good staple.
Yeah.
I'm really bad at keeping essentials. I really veer towards keeping the things that most people would be like, why do you keep that in your closet? I do.
You have to keep that.
Have to.
Oh, have to.
What about this? Because sometimes I don't feel great in this.
If you don't feel great in something, then give it away. Oh, I love that.
This, I think it's so fun, but it's so hard to not wear a bra. Do you want this? Yeah. It's so cute. Do you want it? Yeah. Okay, Maddie's keeping it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye. This I'm not sure. This is so fall, so that's why I'm thinking maybe not, but it's like so in for fall.
I like it for fall.
This one I'm saying goodbye to. It's $2.90 for me. Yes, keeping that.
Oh,
this is what
yeah.
you keep, like beautiful vintage pieces that are detail. It's so good.
It's
you
so
just can't.
good. Of course.
So this is so cute.
I don't think you need it.
Maddie says no. Keeping this because this is new.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love the color. I love my two little sweater vests.
So cute.
Keeping all of these.
Oh, yeah.
So cute. I need to cut. I have all of these Hawaiian shirts. I feel like I should cut this one. I will never get rid of because it's beautiful. And it looks like very Gucci. Keeping this because I'm in this vibe right now. Love it. Love this, love this, love this. I feel like somebody else should have this. I love it.
So beautiful.
I just don't wear it a lot. I'm keeping this.
Oh, you have to.
I love this.
Oh, love that one.
Keeping. Wow, we are doing so well. I have so many hangers already. I feel like somebody else can have a blast in this.
You're gonna get it away. Oh, it's so beautiful
it's so
though.
Good. Maybe in the fall I would be
That's
so
what
mad
I'm
at myself.
saying. I feel like
sorry, guys,
you
I'm
have to
keeping
remember that fall is a thing.
Fall's a thing.
Up to you.
I have not worn this in like 5 years. I need to get rid of it. Yes.
Oh yeah.
I have kept this for so long. It's so I have to have it.
You've worn that recently
I know,
too.
and it's anytime I want Gucci in my life, this is a great option.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is awesome, but I just have not worn it.
I've never seen you wear that
I've never
before.
worn it. I don't know why. One of you need it. Now that I've gone through, I'm now going to resort it and reorganize it. So I'm going to do that. The entire rack is all sorted. I did a little bit by categories and also by prints and colors. So this is going to be more of my fall section that I'm not pulling as much. And then we move into more current things that I'm wearing right now. I've got all of my colorful printed blouses. I've got the romantic puff sleeves numbers. I've got the prairie tops, the polo tops, the button downs. Then we move into sweater vests and then colorful tank tops. And then of course all the crazy goodness at the very end. This is all sorted and ready to go back into my closet. All done with that section. section. Got the tunes on. We're rolling. We're still rolling. Grab all of my blazers. This is a quicker edit because I don't edit out that many blazers, to be honest. Got all the blazers out. I'm going to start editing them down. I'll check in with you guys after I've done the edit. I don't know, should I keep this?
You're not thinking about selling that.
I love it, but like, I just don't wear it all the time.
Yeah, but you're never gonna find anything like that.
Maddie's right. I'm gonna keep it. Doing a little check-in here. This is my selling pile. This is my crossroads and donating pile. I have organized all of the blazers, so we've got it, you know, denim, we've got some color, then we moved to printed blazers and then leather. We are now moving on to the pants. I'm gonna pull all the pants out. I'm gonna try to be ruthless. This is a hard section for me to cut things, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna cut them.
Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful.
I want somebody else to have fun in them. Ruthless. Ruthless. Maddie is being my bag sorter.
Yes or no?
I'm going to say no to that. Keep. Oh, I forgot about that bag. Keep.
Yeah, she's cute.
I think I could say goodbye. Keep. Just got it. Keep. I forgot I had that. See, this is why you have to go through your closet. Yes, keep.
Both
keep
of
and
them.
keep. Toss.
This?
Keep.
This?
Keep. Keep. I found them! I was just telling Maddie I am missing a pair of pants, green, and a shirt, and I was thinking I had worn them together at one point and I couldn't find them anywhere, and I was just saying I couldn't find them and I was so sad, and here they were on the floor, throwing them in the dirty clothes, and somehow they ended up on the floor. And now I found them. That's why you have to clean your closet out, because those things are there. You just have to find them and remember that you have them. Maddie's giving me a check-in of how she's organized the bags.
In the back, they are the like structured kind of bags, so that they can actually take the weight of other ones being on top. Then on this side, we have your fanny pack moments.
I love it.
Then we have all the party bags.
Oh, yes.
And then right here are your three like go-to bags that I always see you grabbing.
I needed her perspective. This is so great.
That way it's easy to grab.
Spoken like someone who has worked in retail, because I feel like you understand how to put things.
We've been working retail, baby. That's for sure.
So I've got all of my shirts now on here, and now all of my pants are hung up. This is a little bit of the fall section that I'm not wearing a ton yet. So we then have like all the colors and the prints and all the happy pants. Also, I bought one of these hangers. Let me pull it out so I can show you. Multiple hanging spots that I could hang all of my party pants on there, because I'm getting a massive collection of them and I wanted to eliminate taking up too much space, so it makes it easier to hang in there. Okay, checking in with the bags.
Alrighty, so on this section, now we have the satchels and like the businessy bags in the back, and then we have the designer purses on display.
Ooh, yes, you gotta have the Gucci and the Chanel ready to go.
So this is Beth's little section of her like statement belts, you know, big gaudy gold. And then we have some headbands up here, and these are her little fun extras that she'll add on to like blazers and stuff like that.
Love it. Makes me feel so good. I went through my skirts, reorganized. I'm putting them back. Fit perfectly over here in the corner of my closet. One piece that I will never, ever, ever get rid of is that skirt that I found pretty recently. I also have another one of these hangers in here with skirts on it. This makes it a little bit easier for compacting. Maddie is grabbing out all of my sweaters that I, of course, am not wearing right now. But my sweater section gets overwhelming and it's always falling out. It's like one of these hanging things, and I fold my sweaters and put them in there.
Yeah.
So we are going to refold, and I'm going to head into this section, which is all of my dresses. That looks amazing.
It looks so good.
So organized.
I love it.
Thank you. Okay, Maddie.
Okay.
Feeling very stressed about this next section. Guys. So many dresses. I have so many. I didn't realize I do until I take them out. This is going to be a beast to go through. First of all, let me just say I'm trying to weed them out. It's not happening. I haven't cut anything yet, but I feel like I need a little help. I have 3 dresses that are all kind of like the same idea. You know, we've got 70s maxis. Now this one is more fitted and hangs straighter. and these are more flowy. I definitely went through a 70s phase with like maxi dresses and fur vests, very Sienna Miller, mid 2000s. Anyone remember that phase? Anyway, so I feel like I picked up all of these during that time, and I don't ever really wear them.
I feel like you should cut it.
All of them?
I feel like cut that one.
This one?
That one.
Okay.
I love that floral one. I feel like I could see you actually wearing it.
It's very cute because you can kind of do daytime in it because it's more fitted.
Right.
And then this one, I love it. I don't know. Look at those colors, though.
Keep both of those, but I think that one was a good one to say goodbye to.
Let's do that. I got rid of one. I want to add this thought. So I'm going through this, not editing very much. I have this really cute skirt that I love, and I realize I haven't worn it, and I think the reason why is I had it hung up here with my dresses, so I often forget about it. So I'm going to put this on my skirts hanger and put it in my skirts section. I don't know why it was even here in the first place. Sometimes I think it's just about moving things around to be in the area that you know you'll grab it from. I feel like a new woman. You guys, look at my whole closet. It's fresh and organized. It's so much more fun to go in here and get dressed when everything is hanging where it should be. Let me also show you there's nothing on the bed, which means everything was put away. We got rid of so many things, and then this is my entire new in rack. So this is all the things that were on the bed are now hung here because I like to have one rack that's just a reminder of everything new so that I wear it and then I can give it a new life back in my closet. But oh, how great does it look? I feel like I can just finish off the summer well with a refreshed and cleaned and organized closet. Maddie, thank you.
Oh, of course. It was so much fun. I love organizing.
I couldn't have done this without her. I feel like she tackled a lot of other sections while I was working on a section, so it was really fun, which is a really great tip. Get your friend, put on some music. We had great music on. We had fun. We were chit-chatting the whole time, and it went so much quicker and felt easier and less overwhelming. So if you have a good friend, maybe swap. Decide you each will do it together.
That's a really good idea.
So basically, I'm saying, Maddie, if you want me to come over, I am here for you. We will organize. So I did put a big pile together of things that I am going to release for sale for you guys, and every single week I'm going to do a new set. So head over to my Instagram, BJonesStyle, to find out more details because I don't have the days yet and the times, but I will be letting you know on Instagram. So if you are interested in finding out any of those pieces and snagging them for yourself, then head over to my Instagram. You can get all the details there. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have new videos every single Thursday. Final thing to say, always play your outfit!